Meron nga kasabihan pa po, di ba? Today is the best preparation for tomorrow. Naniniwala ko dyan. Kailangan talagang paghandaan natin ang ating kinabukasan. Kasama na dyan syempre ang ating retirement dahil lahat tayo pupunta dyan. Lahat tayo tatanda. Ang tanong, gaano kayo kahanda pag dumating ang panahon na yon na ang dami ng sakit. Ngayon lang, Papo, ang dami na nating kasukasuang sumasakit, mabuto-buto dyan, di ba? Pero ibang level ang retirement, Papo, ha? Kaya naman,
kahit na mag-retire ka, may pension, under pa rin ang mga bayarin. So, paano po natin masisecure ang ating magandang pagre-retiro?
Yeah.
Tutulungan po tayo ni Boss Ramon Manuel De Claro. Siya po ang pangulo ng Coco Life Asset Management Company. Magandang hapon po, sir.
Kamsi. Yan.
Yes po. Good afternoon, Sir Julius, Ma'am Tintin. Of course, to our viewers, magandang hapon po. And thank you for having me.
Of course.
Welcome.
So,
Good
first time mo sa amin,
afternoon.
ha?
Yes po, yes po.
So, tell us about this program. Paano tayo makakatulong sa mga retirees natin?
Okay, kami po in CAMC or Coco Life Asset Management Company, what we do po is we exclusively distribute what we call mutual funds. So, siguro po yun po ang una kong gagawin. Explain ko po konti kung ano ba ang mutual funds.
Sige.
Basically po, no, sa madaling salita, ang mutual funds, pinagsama-samang pera yan ng grupo ng mga individual o kaya at mga institusyon, organisasyon, mga kumpanya, in fact, to invest. Ngayon, of course, the question there is, can I as an individual just invest, no? Or do some stock trading? That's of course possible. But there are certain advantages to a pooled investment such as a mutual fund po, no?
Ano yung advantages,
The first, Ma'am Tin, is really we can take advantage of what we call economies of scale. Nako, naging medyo technical na po
Okay
tayo,
lang.
no?
We are listening, Professor.
But essentially po, no, kung wari po, nasa palengke kayo, bibili kayo ng kung ano man, syempre, makakuha kayo ng discounts kapag mas madami kayong bibilhin. That's an advantage of a pooled investment kasi malaking pera po yan, no? Secondly po, we're able to diversify. Kung yan na yun po, malapit ng Noche Buena, kuwari gagawa pa ko yung sinigang, yun lang, may mga iba, ayaw pa ng sinigang, gusto ng mga adobo or kung ano man, at least with a pooled investment, nagagawa po natin yan. We're able to diversify our portfolio. So, in case that Company A does not do very well in a certain year, Company B or Company C can offset. No, so yun po yung kinaganda ng isang mutual fund. Of course, lastly po, no, trading will take a lot of your time. No, matagal po yan na proseso, but at least with the mutual fund, and we've been doing this for quite a while na po, we actively and professionally manage your investment. So you're assured that we will try as best as we can to maximize whatever you've given us.
How is it going to benefit ang isang kababayan natin? Paano yun?
Lalo na yung retiree,
Especially yung mga retirees natin, di ba?
Apo.
Kung mag-i-invest sila sa mutual fund and in the event na kailanganin nila ng pera para sa kanilang pagpapagamot or other expenses, paano yun makakatulong?
Okay. So sa mutual funds po, siguro I'll start by saying a mutual fund is not a get rich quick scheme, no? There is an tinatawag po nating investment horizon. So usually for mutual funds, it will take more or less, we always advise keep your money for 5 to 10 years. But if you can keep it for a longer period of time, that's why our trust really is, hey, for a person that will eventually retire. Diba? Let's say you start at 20 years old, you invest, let's say, 1,000 every month. So that's a total of 12,000 annually. And you retire at age 60, let's say, no? Kunwari po, ang mutual funds po kasi nag-a-appreciate po yan. No? We call it a yield. So let's say, let's be conservative. Sabihin po natin, 3% po ang appreciation every year. If you are able to invest only 1,000 a month or 12,000 a year, when you retire at age 60, if you started at age 20, you will get more or less mga 900,000 more or less po ang kilalabas niyan. Ngayon, kapag naman, doblehin natin. 2,000 pesos every month or 24,000 a year. No, and let's say maganda po ang market, consistently 7% po ang appreciation ng inyong pera. Lalabas po more or less wala po akong calculator ngayon, pero more or less, mga 5 million pesos, more or less.
In 5 to 10 years.
Ando po. That's
Yeah.
when you start at 20,
20.
and
And at
if
60.
you
Oh.
redeem at 60.
At 60.
Still much better than when you put that same amount in the bank.
Yes,
Magkano lang
yes.
interest? Magkano na nga ba ngayon? 0.1, 1%, mga ganyan lang.
Yeah, I can speak for the
Diba?
other banks, but yes, you're correct po. No?
Ganun eh, diba?
Usually, the interest rates are very, very low if you're just on the savings account.
Yeah.
So mas makabubuti ang investment na ito sa mga bata pa lang. Kung nagsisimula pa lang sa kanilang pagiging empleyado.
Tama po
Diba?
yun, no? So, yes, the earlier you start, the better.
the better,
But of
no?
course, it's never too late. No? Even if you're already at the twilight years of your career, okay lang po
Ano?
yun. You can start investing. At any point in time, you can invest naman po.
O tayo, example,
Hindi,
tayo
kunyari,
na lang, 50s.
mga middle age na, mga 50s.
yan, yan. Yung
Tapos
age
magre-retire ka
namin.
ng 60, di
Yung
parang 10
retirement
taon
pa.
lang yun.
Opo.
Paano yun?
Well, depende
Meron
po
pa rin
kung
yan.
gaano kalaki ang pwede niyong ilagay every year considering
Oo.
what you make at the age that you are in.
So, pag medyo nasa, middle age ka na, medyo mas malaki-laki na dapat mo ilagay para malaki rin makuha mo.
Yes, correct po. Correct po.
Kaya lang, meron ba yung minimum? Yun nga, 1,000, no?
Opo,
Minimum na yun.
if you open an account with us, kumari, bagong kliyente po tayo, 1,000 po ang minimum investment for our peso funds. No? But we also have a dollar fund po. No? To open an account for the dollar, it will be $1,000.
Okay.
But if let's say you've already opened an account, nakabukas na po kayo, gusto nyo po mag-add. For the peso accounts po, or the peso funds, 500 lang naman po ang kailangan nyo as additional investment. For the dollar fund
Parang
naman,
top
it's
up.
500
Top
if
up,
you want to
top
top
up.
up. Yes
What if
po.
lump sum? Ano ba, nagregalo sa'yo, tas once ka lang maglalagay, yearly lang, kumbaga, hindi monthly. Pwede ba yun?
Yes po.
Yearly lang.
You can put any amount at any time as long as you're ready to invest.
So, pwedeng monthly, quarterly, semi, pwedeng ganun.
Yes po.
Paano yung
It's up to you. In fact, though, we have a program right now. We call it the PIA or Programmed Investment Accumulation. And for example, you're an employee and we've talked to your employer and we've already started discussions na what you can do is the employer will deduct a portion of your salary that you've agreed upon that you wanted to invest. Yun po ang i-remit sa amin ng employer nyo po.
automatic deduction
Yes.
scheme.
Oh,
Parang
wala
di mo
na
na
po yung
isipin.
iisipin.
Oh.
Opo.
Matic na eh. Kumbaga,
Yes,
parang
yes.
forced savings. Pero hindi
Correct,
savings
correct.
kasi investment to eh.
Yes po,
Mutual
yes po.
funds to eh. Ilang Pilipino na ang sinasabi ko yung hindi employed yung mga self-employed o mga negosyante, ilan? Marami rin bang nag-avail nito?
Yes, meron rin naman po. I don't know the specific numbers right
pero-
now, no? But of course, that's also a possibility. But of course, right now, ang trust po namin, because ang dami-dami pong Pilipino, we cannot talk to everybody. That's why ang goal po namin, our trust really, is to talk to the employees.
The companies.
The company,
yeah.
employer, and your employees, because you can start saving as soon as your day one in office.
Ganda. Ganda yan, Jules. No, hindi yung parang ATM to ATM ka lang. Yung ubos na yung sweldo mo ng 15, hintay mo ng 30, ubos na naman. Wala nangyayari. Nagpapakahirap ka, tas walang natitira.
Opo,
Pero ito
opo.
talaga, merong matitira.
Pwede ba sa mga OFW yan?
Yes po, no. In fact, open to everyone, even foreigners, no. The only difference po if you're a foreigner, there are more documentation that will be required of you. But anybody, even of course OFWs, kasi po sila nagsisikap rin po sila. Siyempre, pag magre-retire na sila, gusto na lang nila i-enjoy yan, di ba?
Oo,
That's
oo.
what you can do. Pwede
Paano
po
Pwede.
yan.
kaya? Paano kaya? Kasi kung wala naman silang kumpanya pinagtatrabahuan, yung kumpanya nila nasa abroad.
Yes.
Ano yun?
Okay, so you can directly invest in us po. Wala pong problema yan. You can contact us through our social media pages, through our website. That's also possible. The only siguro difference lang between an investor here in the Philippines or abroad is if you're earning in a different currency, we can only accept peso or dollar. As of now. We don't
Okay
have a
naman.
remittance partner yet po, but
Yeah.
we're working on that para mas madali para sa mga
Okay
OFWs
Okay lang
po
naman
natin.
kasi at least yung mga OFW, marami sa kanila nag-earn din ng dollars, di ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, correct
so,
po.
parang mas safe yung pera nila kapag pinasok nila yan as dollar, di ba? Hindi magagalaw.
Yes po, yes po.
So, okay yun.
Yes, okay
So,
rin
direct, bali dapat ang communication nila sa inyo.
Sa inyo.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I have a valid question kasi ang dami ngayon ng mga imposter accounts, di ba? So when you are living and working abroad, baka mapunta ka sa fake na site na magpapabayad sa'yo, doon magbabayad, yung pala fake site. So how will they be protected doon sa mga ganong dummy accounts?
Well, we have a official website po, no? CocoLifeAsset.com, which you can go to. You can also reach us to our social media pages. We have a Facebook page po, Coco Life Asset Management. We also have an Instagram page, Kamsi official page, which they can always inquire through those kinds of mediums po. Right now, alam po namin na the preferred way of communicating is through social media. That's why we make it a point that to be present also in Facebook and
Paano kung
Instagram.
magre-request ng face-to-face kahit via Zoom man lang?
Yes po.
There's some people in that naniniguro
agent.
na ang kausap nila hindi AI or dapat nakakausap kahit sa Zoom yung isang tao. Pwede yun? Pwedeng pagbibigyan yung ganung request?
Of course po, if you want to request for a face-to-face session, online session,
Yes,
that
correct.
we can do that. Walang po
Ayun.
problema.
Ano mga requirements sa mga gusto?
Okay, to open an account po, you only need your 2 valid IDs, of course, your application form, and your investment. Yun lang po, no? For foreigners po, it's a little bit different because you also have your FACTA. Pero madali lang po ang pag-open ng account sa amin. Of course, no, as a semi-quasi financial institution, we are also covered by the AMLC, no? So, yun
Ano po to? Para sa mga nanonood.
Anti-Money Laundering
AMLAC.
Council.
Yes, yes.
Like, kasi baka iba nila naman yung AMLAC. Pero another topic yun.
Yes, yes po, yes po.
Sir.
Ayan.
So again, I have another question. Paano kung small company lang, like a company na startup na 20 to 25 lang yung empleyado, would you entertain a small company?
Of course. Right now po, for startups, usually, especially mga small enterprises,
Yeah.
hindi pa nila iniisip ang kanilang retirement liability. No? And that's why we can also talk to them. We're happy to be talk to them to tell them that eventually, you will need to make sure that you are protected and ready for your retirement
Correct.
liability. So you don't have to put your retirement liability requirement right now.
Yeah.
No? Pwede nyo pong pagpondo yan, in whichever frequency you want to put in money, so that
Yeah.
eventually, during the time that you need to use it, handa na po
Pwedeng
yun.
i-withdraw anytime, ha? When you need to use it.
Yes.
Pero after, ano pa yan? 5 years, 10 years.
So actually, you can redeem at any point in time. Meron lang po kaming holding period of only 180 days. But you can redeem even before 180 days. Na, ano po mangyayari? If you redeem before 180 days, we will just get, may penalty lang po, but it's only small, 1%. 1% lang po.
Maliit lang, ano? Siguro bigyan mo na kami ng background kasi alam mo naman, very sensitive ang mga tao ngayon. Very discriminating sila after everything that's happened sa social media.
Yeah.
Ano ba ang history ng Coco Life? Brief, ano lang, matagal na
What
ba
is
itong
Coco
kumpanyang
Life
to
in the
para alam nila?
Okay. So, si Kamsi po has been in the industry since 2003. So, matagal-tagal na po, 22 years. In fact, our very first fund, United Fund Inc., which really is for the more aggressive investor kasi stocks po yan, no? 1993 naman po. So, we've been in the industry for quite a while na rin.
Tagal na. Imagine 1993 pa.
At in this particular, yung Kamsi,
sure
22
investment
years
to.
yan. 22 years na to.
Opo.
Totong Kamsi.
Additionally po, we're also part of PIFA, the Investment Fund Association of the Philippines.
Yeah.
So wag ho kayo mangangamba doon sa mga viewers natin na especially yung mga OFWs natin nagdadalawang isip. Kontakin nyo sila dahil legit to.
Lilinawin ko
100%.
lang, wala tong kasamang insurance na life insurance. Talagang investment lang to.
Yes, so kami po sa Coco Life Asset Management, we're the investment arm of Coco Life.
Yeah.
But, of course, for an eventual retiree, life insurance may also be a requirement, no? That our mother company can provide that, Coco Life.
Yun na.
Yan. Alright, sige. Invite mo na sila before we go. Paano?
So sa ating mga viewers ngayon, no, hinihikayat po namin kayo to start investing today. It's never too late po so that you can enjoy the retirement of your dreams. Yan, maraming salamat po.
And we learned so
Thank
much
you.
today from you, Sir Ramon.
Thank you very much for having me po, Sir
Sir
Julius
Ramon,
Mamtin.
salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Ulitin.
Thank you.
Yan, si Mr. Ramon Manuel Declaro, presidente po ng CAMC.